Hello, this is a tutorial on showing you how you can participate in consensus with any algo that you've staked with Algo Liquid Governance with Folks Finance. So once you have Aust's one-click node synced, you need to come to the Folks Finance website. And in the top right here, there's this little consensus button. If you click on it, it will show you an escrow address. So what you'll do is you'll copy this, come to the Aust's one-click node, come to the account selector, and we're going to add that as a watch account. So we'll paste it in here and we'll add it. Now you'll generate keys, and generating keys takes about 5 minutes. So I've already gone ahead and added another account and generated keys for that account. So I'm going to come back to Folks and swap over to that account to continue the tutorial. So we open up the consensus portal and you see that we need to fill in all these fields. So after your keys are done generating, you'll have these fields in Aust one-click node. So we can just copy them and paste them over one by one. And then the vote first round needs to come over, vote last round, and the vote key dilution. Then you just go ahead and register using your wallet app. I'm using Para. So I'm holding my phone and I just hit confirm. So the transaction is being processed. And there we go. And now on this, if we come back to the node, we see it's not participating, but it will update after a couple blocks have gone by. We'll see that this account should be participating. While we wait for that, some things to note is after you register your account, it takes around 300 rounds before that actually goes online. So don't be surprised if these stats don't go up immediately. And also, if you have kind of a low amount of stake, those stats, the higher the stake, the higher chance that you are going to participate in consensus. So it might take you longer to get these stats to go up. And you want to make sure to keep the node running as long as you're participating in consensus, because if this app closes and you're still registered over here, you're still participating in consensus, you're actually harming the network. So before you close the app, and if you're done participating in consensus, you want to come back to Folks Finance, click this button, and hit the register offline button, which will again prompt you in your mobile app. I just signed mine, so now I'm going offline again, and we'll see that take place. So that's how we can use Aust one-click node to participate in consensus with our Folks Finance stake, and I hope you enjoy.